Hey guys. EST here. And I need to tell you something. So apparently, I may have to stop posting my videos at 11:30. Because not that much people will be able to see the video and some of my fans have school. And they have to wait until lunch or after school to see it. Take Cassie Montelongo as an example, so from this way forward I will now post my videos at midnight. 7 a.m., 1 p.m., or 2 p.m. or 2:30. Since I always premiere my videos at 2:30. So that's why I will start premiering at those times. I hope you guys understand. But don't worry. Boris for Hire 46 and the Plan Part 7 will be out maybe next weekend. But since my cousin found out I was on punishment, she is not available for me to work on my or her videos with her. So maybe you'll see when I'll let you in a future video. That's all for now. This is me EST signing off.